Welcome back everyone, long time coming. And
we're back.
We're back in the game. So as you can see, we've got Tom's 350 behind us. Looking a little bit sorry it was this morning, got it washed, and we are ready to go.
Or he, my hands in the way.
Yeah, so the idea is we think lifters or tapping or either slip timing and the valve is banging. It does start, I'll start it in a second, but it's not, well, I don't sound very good personally.
No, it pulls still, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does still drive and it still pulls like driven stuff in here out the other bay. But so we're going to strip the front end down, see if we can do it. We'll try and do it on our own. If not, we might need to bring in some helping hand to get it done. And then the idea is we get this done, jag done, and a couple bits on the Evo. And then we're going to do a drive down to Tom, because Tom is now chartering on a yacht in the top of Italy. So we're going to drive down to Tom and do a road trip in about 2.5 months' time. So let's get cracking. So just make sure I can hear the sound properly. As you can hear it now. So yeah.
So a few people online have been saying that there might be a timing chain from it, but that sounds to us way too loud for the timing chain. So we definitely think it's either a lifter or it's a cam, obviously hitting a piston. Valve, sorry. So yeah, let's start getting off, start with the bonnet. That's going to be lovely because of these new lights we put in. Bonnet off, start stripping her.
Let's go. So if you can hear me, generator's running because we still haven't got massive power cable into the workshop. So we're still using the generator for the ramps because they use a lot of power. But yeah, we're going to rechange our plan, get the wheels off, get it up on the ramps, get the wheel arches out, and then obviously we can start getting front bumper off. Open up.
We're not going to have a phone of timing. What do you mean? We're not pit stopping, are we? Come on.
Push me up. Back off. Woohoo!
Just crack them, we haven't taken all the weight off.
Ah. Let's lock them up. Aha. You didn't leave it off.
I hope not. I'm sad boy. So we got a little bit eager, we was about to take everything apart, and then we now need to start actually again. Take the wheels up, jack it up, and then we can take the front end off. My bad, camera angle is not that good. Right, locking wheel up, and then let's get her up.
That's it.
Don't pull it because my end's off. See, he's trying to break things already. Whoops.
Oh, no, there's a cable tie.
He's got a cable tie as well. He needs a pair of cutters. Right. Off you're going to get some cutters. Oh no, he's got a big cutter. We're about 5 minutes in and the grinder's already up. Beautiful. It should come off completely. Let's stick this bad boy down the back here, sandwich shuff.
Go on then, go on then.
Beautiful. Wow. Nice bit of lighting down here, I must say that. It's a little bit different like that. So we'll take that off, this off. I think we need to take the whole front end off as well.
So calling it a day as we've got to go out, so better get back and get changed. So we've got front bumper off, wheels off, wheel arches off, lights out. Where we put extra lights on, we have to kind of keep the lights and the front strut bar all together. We've basically got this whole section that's going to come off in a lump off. There's two pipes this side for it is for the brake fluid. That's got to come off down further, and we've got a horrible, awkward little pipe goes into one of the radiators. I don't know if it's aircon or something. This little one, there's no join from here all the way up, and it just goes around the back of the engine. So we don't know how we're going to do that. We might have to break it. It's like crimped on here, and it's crimped at the firewall. So it might be a job of seeing what's cheapest, either a radiator or that, and cutting the pipe. The one's okay, just flexy, and we could slide this under the car. But this one's not flexy at all the way up through That's where obviously your refill is, and then it comes up around the back there. So yeah, hopefully this whole front section will come off, which does look like it does, the whole road and everything. So that'd be nice. Quite a good design. Thank you very much, Nissan. So that whole thing should come off after a few more bits, another half an hour on it, and breaking something. And then we can get to the front. We'll start going downwards in the engine, see what we can look at on the lifters, see if we can see actually any damage, and then we might be able to see some damage and go right, we know what we're doing. If not, then obviously throw everything else off the front and we can go from there. So until Tuesday, we'll see you then.